Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make boiled eggs 3 different ways. The first method is boiled, the traditional method. Now I do it a slightly different. I like to put my eggs in when the water reaches a low boil and keep the water at a low boil, so it's more gentle on the eggs. Now I do this for 15 minutes. Now if you want a softer egg inside, you could wait. You change the minute by 12 minutes to 11 minutes. It's up to you. Now once the 50 minutes is up, you want to dunk them in cold water. I'm using ice water here. As soon as they're cold enough to handle, that's when you start peeling. Now I am using older eggs. I usually buy them instead of sitting in the fridge for a week before I start to hard cook process them. That way they're easier to peel. As you can see, it's coming off them pretty well. The best method is to find a little air pocket under the shell. Stick your finger under that and you can pull the shell off usually in one go. Mostly, not all the time. As you see there, it came out pretty well. This one almost broke in half because I was being a little too rough with it. Now I'll show you the second method is steamed. Now this was you take an inch of water and bring it to a boil so it starts to produce steam. Now this is the faster method because it doesn't take as much time to get an inch of water to boil. It's my preferred method because it's a lot more gentle on the eggs when they cook. And it makes the eggs a whole lot easier to peel as well. So you want to let them steam for 15 minutes as well, like the boiled ones. No time at all. And again, dunk them in cold water so they cool down so you can handle them and peel them. Now as you see here, the first one was kind of a little rough, but I'm getting to it. You find an air pocket and you push off the shell, and look at that, it comes off in almost 2 goes, that one. Bring the eggs over. So I already peeled the baked ones earlier, but I'll show you that in a bit. And that came off almost in one piece. Find the air pocket, put your thumb in it, you push off the shell. This one came off in 2 pieces, perfecto. Air pocket, put your thumb under that, scoop it around, and boom, the shell comes off pretty easy. That's why I prefer the steam method. Now the baked one is a bit different. You want to get your mini muffin tin, fill it up, and then set your oven to 325 and bake the eggs for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you want to dunk them in cold water as well. Now, the thing about the baked ones, you will get a little brown spot from where the egg was touching the metal pan. But that's fine. It doesn't change the flavor and texture at all. See, they're peeling pretty fine, but I'm still having trouble with it, as you can see. And that looks tasty, doesn't it? And there you go. Still pretty easy. I would do this method if I'm doing a large number of eggs, like for deviled eggs. Now here's the boiled ones, the baked ones, and the steamed ones. Now I do hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the food. Thank you for watching.